So we saw about angular velocity, linear velocity, right? Now you will be learning about angular acceleration. See, similar to linear acceleration, angular acceleration is a rate of change of angular velocity. So we get alpha is equal to delta omega divided by delta t. Okay, so this is what we get. Okay, so just like how we derive linear and angular velocity, we have to do the same thing for angular and linear acceleration. Okay, so we have alpha is equal to delta omega by delta t. See, delta omega can also be written as omega 2 minus omega 1, correct? The change in the angular velocity. And delta t can be written as t2 minus t1, correct? Right. So we can write alpha is equal to omega 2 minus omega 1 by t2 minus t1. Okay. See, just now we derived v is equal to r omega. Then omega will be v divided by r. So omega 1 is v1 divided by r and omega 2 is v2 divided by r. See, here one important thing, the radius remains the same. I mean, we are looking at 2 points on the same axis, I mean the same way, but different angular velocities. Okay. So if you substitute that here, we have alpha is equal to v1 divided by r minus v2 divided by r divided by t2 minus t1. Right. So we will get it as alpha is equal to v2 minus v1 divided by r into t2 minus t1. So v2 minus v1 is delta v, t2 minus t1 is delta t. So we get alpha is equal to 1 by r into delta v by delta t, correct? Delta v, that is, what is linear change of velocity? Linear acceleration, correct? Which is a. So we get alpha is equal to a divided by r. Okay. So angular acceleration is 1 by r times the linear acceleration. Okay, so this is what we get. Alright, so again I'll repeat, we have v is equal to r omega, that is linear acceleration is r times the angular acceleration, and we have linear velocity is equal to r times angular velocity, and we have angular acceleration 1 by r times the linear acceleration. So we have v is equal to r omega, alpha is equal to a divided by r. Okay, so these two are very important because this is how we start defining everything or every term in the rotational motion. Like we can start with momentum, torque and all those things. You guys will see in the next video.